Hello everyone, welcome to Exact Approach. In this video we will discuss mechanical operation part 1 introduction. The content of this video is theory and numerical part. Syllabus covered both GATE and PSUs. Now let's discuss the basic introduction to mechanical operation. In this operation we are going to separate solid particle from fluids or solid by using mechanical forces or by mechanical means. Mechanical forces like gravity force, centrifugal force, etc., or by mechanical means compression, impact, iteration, etc. Let us consider an example of screening. Consider a screen. A feed is given to the top of the screen. The feed contains oversized and undersized particle. The oversized particle which does not pass through the screen, which is taken from the top of the screen, which is larger in size, and the undersized particle which is smaller in size is taken out from the bottom of the screen. Now the next topic is classification of mechanical operation. Mechanical operation are classified into three categories. Particle characterization. In particle characterization there are three types: characterization of solid particles, size reduction, size separation. The second one is particle dynamics. In particle dynamics, sedimentation, filtration and fluidization. In characterization of solid particles, we will cover shape and size of the particle, sphericity. In size reduction, law of crushing. Law of crushing are of three types: Rettinger's law, Kick's law, Bond's law. In size separation, screen analysis and screening. In sedimentation, we will cover mechanism of particle in motion. In mechanism of particle in motion, we will discuss Stokes' law regime, Newton's law regime, and terminal velocity. In filtration, basic introduction of filtration. Filtration are of two types: constant rate of filtration, constant pressure filtration. In fluidization, we will cover minimum fluidization velocities and pressure drop. The detailed discussion of these topics will be discussed in the next videos. The third one is mixing of solid, mixing and agitation. In mixing and agitation, we will cover flow number, power number and Weber number, etc. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please like and share, subscribe Exact Approach for GATE and PSUs. Thank you.